Hey guys, what's up? It's Doug here again at Hybrid Fitness. Today we're going to teach you how to do our top 5 beginner core exercises. For scissor kicks, we're going to take one leg straight up, one leg straight out, hands under our butt for support, and then alternate the legs. Reach crunches, we're going to have our feet together, knees apart, hands together, and from here, exhaling and crunching up. The back scratcher, keep our low back flat again, bringing our shoulder blades up off the ground and touching each leg. Our next exercise is going to be cross crunches. Let's cross a leg over. We're going to take our opposite elbow to knee, but keeping our low back flat. So we don't want to be arching up or anything. Keep the low back flat, core engaged, elbow to knee. I don't need to touch that knee. I'm just going in that direction. Now let's get our hands back underneath our butt for some leg lifts with our legs straight out. Coming up to 90 degrees and then back down. Now there's a quick tutorial in our top 5 beginner core exercises. If you like the video or learned anything, don't forget to like, comment, and share. Top 5 beginner core exercises, throw them in your routine and let me know what you think.